Hello YouTube, I'm Tafridi from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So without further ado, let's get started. That was too quick. First of all, we'll import the photo into Photoshop. Click on Filter tab, click on Camera Raw Filter. If you do not have this, man, you're outdated. Okay, then reduce highlights and do some other stuff that I'm doing. And yeah, not exactly because you have to look at the conditions of your photo, but just play with these things, clarity, and do not go too bad with the vibrance and saturation because you will start seeing some grains in the sky, and that's because color depth. Guys, remember, this is a photo. We want to make it look nice, not real. So don't be afraid. Change any color you want. Do anything you want to do. Just make it look nice. So that's what I'm going to do now. Yeah. Break the laws. You cannot see this in real life. Don't care. We want the photo to look nice. So now you can go to the last, and I like to use lift shadows. You might use anything. You can also apply vignetting, but for this photo I do not like vignetting, and we can already see a big difference. So now you can do one thing more. If you're on a Mac, you can Shift Option Command and N to create a new layer, and then the same keys except for N and using E. So Shift Option Command E. Yeah. Now you can Shift Command U to unsaturate it, and then choose overlay, and then go to other and high pass in filter. Now this is a professional way of sharpening your photos. If you try to change the radius, you can see there is a type of HDR effect, but there is sharpness in your photo that is changing. It's being affected, but this sharpens are natural. Yeah, they do not look that bad and do not tend to create that noise. So now you can do anything with your photo. You can go to any settings you want and continue, but I just brought you to this stage to make you realize that you do not always have to care about the rules. You can do anything you want. Take saturation to 0 or maybe to 100. Congratulations, you are a pro editor right now, because now you don't care about people. If anyone says, oh, that looks unreal, say I don't care, but you will see your photos better than ever. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.